Hey guys, very quickly before the actual video, I just wanted you to know that if you want to have a separate series on this title of game, so the video you're going to be seeing is just a part of this game that I have here, Ghost Island. Okay, so if you want me to do a full video covering all the concepts of the UI and sounds, different sort of fading effects, animation, transition effects, please let me know. Okay, and I will do an entire complete video on how we can do sort of attacks, particle systems, all sorts of like project management, GitHub control. Okay, so if you guys want to have a full version of this can be downloaded from App Store, by the way. Do comment. Okay, it's not about subscribing as much as if you comment, I would know that there's a demand for this sort of video, and I would do a complete video on this project. Okay, so if you want to see a video like this, please do comment, and I will get started on this. Thank you.